Well, nothing compares to the texture of fresh mochi. The sweet, delightfully chewy tapioca starch dough, and when you make it yourself, you can really enjoy it fresh at the peak of textural pleasures. This mochi recipe is pretty easy. To start, combine the tapioca flour, the sugar and water in a pot and cook it for at least 3 minutes over medium heat fire. Using wooden spoon, stir the mixture to avoid any lumps until it's thickened and it's done. Then transfer in the desired container and let it cool for a few hours prior for cutting. I make another batch with same procedures and ingredients, but this time I'm going to add in some colors to give some extra individuality for mochi. Then, using Bain Marie method, melt this chocolate and butter until it turns glossy for filling. Then I have roasted the corn flour in a frying pan for at least 10 minutes. This is just to cover and coat the mochi into perfection. After slicing the dough, then roll it into rectangle shape or flatten less than 1/4 inch thick. Make sure you keep dusting the top and bottom of the dough with cornstarch to prevent any sticking. My mochi filled with chocolate filling recipe takes something that looks complex and simplifies it so everyone can enjoy the little chewy balls. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. This is Bolko Tip again, signing off for now. Hope to see you again soon and saying bye bye.